Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pause notifications on the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages and teammates. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the little icon. Here under the update your status bar, we find pause notifications. And here we can set the time for how much we want to pause notifications for. And after that, we just go into the top right corner and tap on save to save what we have set. And yeah, afterwards we have to come back and reset it. So we actually receive notifications, but that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.